Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Looks like it's going to be another slow day. I don't have too many stocks in my watch list. The only two stocks that I'm watching today is ticker GHVI, and this stock is not having enough pre-market volume, so I'll wait for market open for volume to come in. And the other one that I'm watching today is ticker GMBL. This stock is gapping up, but obviously this doesn't have enough pre-market volume. So I'll be watching these two stocks, and probably at market open, if volume comes in, I think these may give me one or two setups. So I'll keep it on watch. We do have 3 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in another 15 seconds and I'm watching ticker GMBL. 1690 should act as a support from the daily. Just jumping in. I'm in. My next ad would be around 1650. Just putting a second order out there. I got filled. I'm in 200 shares. 1618 would be my next level. If $17 breaks, then probably it's going to go up. So I'm holding, I'm not selling. Volume is lacking, that's a concern. I'm watching, not selling it yet. I don't want to sell early. Volume is lacking, that's the only concern. I should have waited a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just in 200 shares, totally manageable. 3 minutes into market open, and if $17 breaks, maybe I'll get an exit around 1722 or something. So I'm just preparing an order, just giving it some more time. Maybe I'll take half out here at 1690. Maybe it was a bad decision to wait. Just place another order for 1620. Canceling the order for now. I'm stuck in this trade. No volume. Yep, I'm filled in 1590. So I broke my rule. I did not wait for volume confirmation, and I have to pay the price for that. I waited enough for volume to come in. Maybe I'll just wait for this 5-minute candle, and if the volume doesn't come in, probably I'll sell and take a loser. Not a good sign at all. It's still fighting. I'm a little hesitant to sell because after I sell it may go, but lack of volume is what that's concerning. One green volume candle, probably I can exit. If it goes below the low of this candle, I'll exit for sure. I don't want a bag hold on this one. Now it's about $16. That gives me some relief. 1615 is clearly a wall, and if that breaks, then probably it's going to break open. Yep, there are some buyers stepping up. So the high of this candle was 1630. I'm on the green now, just giving it one more shot. Probably it's going to dump on me, but I'm just giving it some more time. I was in the money for a while, watching it like a sniper. Come on, break open the 1650 for me, and I'll exit. Yep, I'm out. That was a stressful trade. I never want to do that ever again. Luckily, I came out of the trade green. That was pure luck. And it's very sad to see after you sell, it go up, but it is what it is. I would call it a day. I don't want to extend my luck. On the day, I made $76. I'll take it and I'll be completely happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.